Hey friends, welcome back to Mini Kit Monday for January 2021. And I'm using this really fun wintry crisp icy kit that was from December, not just for Boys Kit Club actually. So I haven't used anything from it yet, so it is time to crack it open. I'm going to start with this Echo Park Paper Company. It's called America. It's just a gorgeous wood grain. I love wood grain. The next piece I'm going to use is from Bo Bunny, Winter Playground. So I like it. I mean, it seriously captured the whole icy cold. Yes, there's snowflakes, I get it. But the way they did the white scuffy stuff, the distressing, it's very, very icy and frosty. So I love that. These are the two photos I'm going to use. They're roughly 4x6 with the border that I did. So, I mean, they're probably, what, 3.5 by 5.5. And I'm going to have them probably right here because both of these people are facing this way. This is my daughter and this is her boyfriend, who we refer to as the Nick. Now, Dolly was kind enough to give us a mood board for inspiration as well as sketches. And sketches are my thing, bar none. So this is the one I've chosen. It's an Allison Davis for Scrapbook Generation sketch. So we have really large photos. They have 3. I'm gonna use 2, not a biggie. We'll figure that out. So they have that. And then they have a cluster here with title work here. So what I was thinking is for part of my title, I have these stickers here, and this also came with the kit. So I'm gonna use the word snow. And then the alphas that came with this kit are these black foamy. So I'm gonna have it read Snow Much Fun, which, you know, isn't that creative because it says Snow Much Fun right there. So yeah, chances are I just kind of ripped that one off. So I'm going to go ahead, trim out my photos. I have to mat them. Now they already have a border, so maybe I don't. I'll figure that out. But what I think I'm going to do is for this piece right here, I think I'm going to go ahead and pop the photos on and have a really big chunk of this, like a 6-inch chunk, and my photos are going to rest on that with a little bit sticking out of the top. Now, I also have these really great border pieces that I think I'm going to include as, well, as border strippers, as Janet at RTS would say. So I'm going to get that on there, get these attached, and then really it's just going to come down to which ones of these gorgeous embellishments I want to use. I've got snowflakes for wood veneer. I've got these really great brads as well as these really adorable chipboard pieces. So I am going to get my pieces down and then decide what goodness to add to this. So I will be back in a minute. Now, when I say I'm going to get this down, I'm going to, oh, let me get my blog. I like putting my stickers in here. I'm going to choose all my pieces, get kind of like the cluster idea, and I'll be back in a minute. All right, so I have everything attached down pattern paper wise. I did gut this wood grain paper so I can map my photo with it, and I really, really enjoy that. So I grabbed 5 of these wood veneer little snowflakes, and there's all these different patterns, so it's super, super fun. And then I started picking out little creatures, woodland creatures, this little snowman, little cute things, because I've been dying to use these cute little stickers out of our sticker sheet. Now, these two are facing forward, but the little fox guy here on ice skates, of course, is facing in this way. So he's definitely going to be a part of this cluster up here. I'm wondering if I just kind of slightly snuck them onto a couple of snowflakes, if that would really help with my dimension, and I kind of like that idea. So I'm going to pop him up just on a little bit because I do like me some dimension. Let's get his little body. This guy's going to be stuck here. I want his little hand kind of stuck there. So let's see, what else does he need? I have these things, here they are, these little strippy things of, and I think these are by Doris. I got them on Amazon. And who told me? Oh, Sarah Scraps had them in a video, and I asked her where she got them, because sometimes they're the perfect amount of foam when you need it, just when you need that little itty bitty bit. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And that might be, for the most part, my top cluster. I don't need my top cluster being huge. I mean, I'm, you know, probably pop a couple brads on and stuff like that because they came with my kit. And the sticker sheet as well has all kinds of little tiny little bits. So we'll see what goes on there once we get to the point where I'm doing the enamel dots and all that kind of stuff. So wanted to show you where I'm going with that. Oh, and then my title, Snow Much Fun, I'm gonna have down here, but I wanna make sure I think about where I'm gonna have my little snowmen and all of that in with the title. So let's see, while we have it here, I mean, they're kind of hilarious. I could have them sitting here. I could have them kind of there and have the snowflakes around them. Okay, I kind of like that they're bringing the title in. All right, let me get my pieces down. I'll be back. Oh, and what I didn't tell you before is the Winter Market little border pieces. They weren't a full 12 by 12. So I have one seam there hiding and one seam hiding right here. And that'll be perfectly fine. Nobody really has to know, my friends. So I'm going to go ahead and let my little snow friends hang out. Oh, let's see. I want to make sure that the bottom of one of them covers that little gap in my sticker. I'm gonna go ahead and pop my penguin friend up because he's so cute and then get these pieces on. Now I'll really be back in a second. So I have everything on this page attached at this point. Now my photos are taking up a really large amount of the page, for me anyways. I know not for everybody, but for me. So I am liking that. They're getting their due. And by the way, this is like just in the northern part of the thumb of Michigan. Okay, so let's look at getting a couple of brads put in. Now these are by Cartabella, the Let It Snow collection. And I just have to pick which vibe of brads I want. Now I don't want to bring green into this, so I'm gonna kind of steer clear of that. So maybe I should just stay with these icy tones right here. So maybe I'll put one in there, and no, because then I can't do that with these because I glued these pieces down there. Do I need the brads? Do I not need the brads? I need the brads. All right, I'm gonna pop in some brads and then we'll grab a couple of the little sticker bits and finish it off together. If there's any more of these little tiny bits I'd like to stick in here, I could put another little snowflakey sticker since I'm kind of going heavy on the snowflakes. Let's put that up there for some contrast. Maybe is there like pretty aqua or baby blue ones? I can put some of that coming down this way. And that might be enough to make me happy with them. You know what? I can pop this one right here on a tiny bit of foam. I don't know if it would show really well the spot I want to put it in. This cute little one, it's a mid-tone blue. So let's go ahead and pop it up on a little tiny bit of foam. Probably have to trim that again. Can I sneak it in with the green? Has like that, you know, green craft foam backing. So let me go ahead and just pop one more in. See, I don't want them going all the way across. I can layer them. Okay, cool. Now I have some Heidi Swap Color Shine in white. And I don't even know if I've ever even used this. So I'm gonna see if it'll show up. If not, I'll just get a little bit of a shine and, you know, that'll be cool. It'll look good. It'll make me happy. I needed something just a little bit bigger because I have a really large photo cluster. So I'm shaking it kind of extra because, like, I know I bought all the Color Shines 1,000 years ago. You know, when they first came out, can't remember what store had a bunch, and I just went and bought a ton. See, that is not super pearly white. It's not bad though. I'm gonna get a little bit of a shine on it, and that will be not half bad. Yeah, you know, it's giving me a bit of an icy color, and I do like that. That's really cute. Let me make sure I get some down here too. So it's not super obvious, not like, you know, my gold mist and all that I use, but I'm definitely getting a little tiny bit of shine with it. And I do like that. Now let's see, you get a little bit more. Yeah, it's frosty. That's really pretty. Okay, that's worked out to finish this up. So I will have links down below for the other Mini Kit Monday creators, and as well as the Facebook group and all that kind of thing. So if you want to create a kit and play along with us, I think Dolly is the host this month. She has put up inspiration, the sketches, all of the good stuff, and we'd love to have you join us. So this one is rather simple with tons of pattern paper and pretty goodness. And it came together quickly, but my photos get to be the star of the show. That's it for tonight, friends. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.